Alrighty, you are doing a great job. So let's keep moving. Let's go to our G major scale. Now we're going to work on our 1-octave scale, and then for the more advanced players, we're going to go ahead and do our 2-octave scale. Alright, so G major starts on the G string, right? So we're going to float our arm up to here. Now be sure, when we go up to play on the G string, so we're all the way over here, as far as we can get, we don't want elbow to be down here. It's not going to work. So, say that again. All right, now we're ready. I'll play it first. So listen. Now it's your turn. Great work. Now let's do the 2-octave version. Now it's your turn. All right, great work on your G major scale. Now we're going to go ahead and go back and do the arpeggios for these scales. So let's go ahead and do the D major arpeggio 1 octave. So listen first. Now you play. All right, and be careful of your intonation to be sure you're placing those fingers exactly where they should go. D, 2, A, 3, A, 2, D. And play as slowly as you need to. There's no rush on arpeggios, or scales for that matter. So now we're going to go ahead and do the 2-octave version of the D major scale. Now your job is to make these arpeggios as sweet and beautiful as you can. So go ahead, and it's your turn to play now. Great job. Let's move on to our A major. So here's the 1-octave version. Listen first. Now you play. Now remember, play as slowly as you need to and really listen to the intonation, meaning the tuning. So whether your notes are in tune and exactly where they're supposed to be. Okay, let's move on to the 2-octave version. Now, for my 2-octave players, be sure that your third fingers for those sharps are nice and high. So it should be this interval, which is a third. All right, let's move on to our G major arpeggio. Now your turn. Beautiful job. All right, so now let's go ahead and work on a fiddle song or two. So what we're gonna learn is Cripple Creek, and I'm gonna go ahead and just teach you by rote, which means I'm teaching you by ear, which is a form of learning music. So here's the first part. Now you try. All right, let's go ahead and do that a little slower. 3, 3, E, 2, 3, 1, E. Now you try. Then the next part goes 2, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A. Now you try. Okay, the next part. Now you go. Great work. Keep going. Your turn. So basically we had a repeat that happened there. Then the next part goes. So 2, 1, open, 2, 1. Now you play. Then